In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shipping policy on Shopify. Having a clear shipping policy is really important for building trust with your customers, reducing questions, and avoiding misunderstandings about delivery times and costs. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the shipping policy settings in Shopify, how to add your own policy text, and what kind of information you might want to include. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and settings for your store. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the settings area, you'll see a menu along the left-hand side. From that sidebar, find and click on Policies. This is where Shopify keeps all the important legal and informational pages for your store, such as your refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and of course, your shipping policy. Once you're in the Policies section, locate the Shipping Policy area and click it. A pop-up window will appear where you can add or edit your shipping policy text. This is essentially the body of your policy, so you want it to be clear, accurate, and easy for customers to understand. There are several key points you may want to cover here. First, explain your order processing time. Let customers know how long it typically takes you to prepare and ship an order, and be specific about whether this timeline includes or excludes weekends and public holidays. Next, describe your shipping rates and delivery estimates. For example, you might outline the cost and time frame for standard shipping and express shipping, and clarify if you offer free shipping over a certain order amount. You can also mention which regions or countries you ship to, so customers know if their location is covered. Then talk about shipping confirmation and tracking, such as sending a confirmation email with a tracking number once the order has shipped. If your customers might be subject to customs, duties, or taxes, explain who is responsible for those fees. It's also helpful to mention possible reasons for delivery delays, like carrier issues, customs inspections, or severe weather, so expectations are set in advance. Include a section on lost or damaged packages so customers know what to do and what you'll do in those situations. Finally, add clear contact information so customers can reach you if they have any questions about their shipment. Once you're happy with your shipping policy text and you've reviewed it for clarity and accuracy, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Publish. Your shipping policy is now saved and will be available for your customers to view on your store.